What's up, creators? Welcome back to the channel, your hub for everything cameras, lenses, drones, and the tech that inspires the way we shoot and tell stories. If you're new here, I'm glad you found us. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our in-depth reviews, hands-on comparisons, and the latest rumors shaping the creative world. Now, today's video is a big one. We're diving into the Sony A7V, a camera that's got the photography and filmmaking community buzzing. Many are calling it the perfect middle ground, offering more power and features than the A7 IV, but without the eye-watering price of the flagship A1. From the 44MP full-frame sensor, an uncropped 4K 120 frames per second video to AI-driven autofocus and a redesigned body, this could be the ultimate hybrid camera for creators in 2025. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the Sony A7V might just be the camera you've been waiting for. 44MP full-frame sensor. The Sony A7V is expected to ship with a 44-megapixel full-frame sensor, a big leap from the 33MP sensor on the A7 IV. For photographers, this means sharper detail for landscapes and portraits, more flexibility for cropping without losing resolution, bigger, cleaner prints for commercial work. While it's not a stack sensor like the A1, Sony is reportedly optimizing readout speeds, which means less rolling shutter and smoother performance than past non-stacked models. 20 frames per second continuous shooting. Despite not being stacked, the A7V is rumored to handle 20 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure. That's impressive for wildlife, sports, or events. It won't rival the A1's blazing 30 frames per second, but for improved weather sealing, for outdoor reliability, higher resolution EVF for sharper previews. These refinements aren't flashy, but they matter for professionals who rely on their gear every day. 8. Low light performance. Even with 44 megapixels, Sony is rumored to balance resolution with sensitivity, giving the A7V better low light results than you'd expect. Expect cleaner shadows, improved dynamic range, and reduced noise at higher ISOs. 9. Connectivity and workflow upgrades. The A7V will likely feature Wi-Fi 6E, USB-C 10 gigabits per second transfers, and cloud-ready features. This means faster file transfers, remote workflows, and seamless backups, crucial for professionals working under tight deadlines. 10. Price and release window. Leaks suggest the Sony A7V will launch at around $3,000 to $3,300. While that's higher than the A7 IV, it's still less than half the price of the A1. For creators who want high-resolution, professional video features, and Sony's best autofocus without spending $6,500, the A7V could be the best value hybrid camera of 2025. And that's our deep dive into the Sony A7V, a camera that's shaping up to deliver stunning detail, pro-level video, smarter autofocus, and a design built for creators who need reliability without going all in on flagship prices. But of course, the real questions still remain: can Sony minimize rolling shutter on a non-stack sensor? Will the new cooling system finally put overheating to rest? And can this AI-powered autofocus set a new standard for the competition? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Would you spend around $3,000 for the A7V? Do you think it's the true upgrade from the A7 IV? Or are you waiting for Canon or Nikon's next move? Drop your answers in the comments. I always read and try to reply to as many as I can. If you enjoyed this breakdown, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that bell so you don't miss our future reviews, comparisons, and rumor roundups. Thanks for spending time with me today, and as always, keep shooting, keep pushing your creativity, and I'll catch you in the next one.